Hi guys, I'm Ankit and let me introduce you to our new TLC Virtual Mootmasters Club. Now when you visit the club, you will find three things. Firstly, that all our members work together in a team and on a real moot proposition. Secondly, that they learn a lot from this moot proposition. And thirdly, that they exchange their roles and argue with each other. The members of the club learn important concepts with the help of a mentor who helps them throughout, and then they apply it to the practical sessions. Now, a typical club has batches and each batch has 12 members. Now, these members are further divided into teams of 3. Now, how does the club work? The president basically comes forward, welcomes all the members and then announces the Mootmaster of the day. Once that is done with, the Mootmaster will come forward, invite everyone and explain them the role of each member of the team. Once that is done, then they commence the session by inviting the Mooters on board. There are 3 Mooters in a team. Now they research as well as argue simultaneously. They argue before a panel of 2 judges. Now who are these 2 judges? These are members of the team itself who have worked on the same moot proposition and asked legal questions related to the proposition. We have one grammar guard. Now the grammar guard observes the incorrect usage of grammar by the mooters during the time of arguments and gives their observation at the end of the session. The fumble finder, on the other hand, observes the times they have fumbled. Now they count the number of times they've used terms like ums, ahs, so's during the time of arguments and give their feedback at the end. There is an evaluator. Now what does he do? The evaluators make sure that he observes the voice modulation, body language, gestures of the mooters. More so, if the mooters are working on a specific area, they can approach the evaluator to keep an eye on that. On the other hand, there are 2 independent evaluators. Now what do? Basically, they observe the ability of the mooters to speak. Furthermore, they observe how they are answering questions, the quality of questions asked by the judges themselves, as well as they ensure the evaluation done by the evaluator himself is of quality. So basically, they are keeping an eye on everyone. The time tracker. Now what does he or she do? The time tracker ensures that what is the time which has passed, what is remaining, and at the end of the session they explain how the time could have been saved during the time of arguments. Then there is a reviewer. Now what does he or she do? The reviewer keeps the memorial of the moot team with themselves and keenly observes the oral arguments made by the mooters during the time of session. They evaluate the performance of the mooters with respect to arguments they've made and what they have submitted in the memorial itself and give their review at the end of the session. All sessions are personally supervised by the president and the Mootmaster. They reserve their feedback till the end of all the sessions and then give feedback to each and every member of the team personally. Yes, and that is why people come to the TLC Mootmasters Club. They come with many goals. Some just want to learn what mooting is. Others come to improve their public speaking. And well, some come to become Mootmasters. So, what's your goal?
For more information, visit our website at www.thelegalchronicle.org or drop an email at mootmasters.tlc@gmail.com. We cannot wait for you to be on board with us.